That's Jerry with Sky Management again, and today we've got a common problem that happens whenever a loose end of Berber carpet gets caught in a vacuum cleaner. These strands a lot of times are hooked together like this in Berber carpet, and when you catch a strand of it, it can just pull a run, as you see here. And if you don't take care of it, you're going to either catch it again with your vacuum or have a cat or something get a hold of it and just pull it all the way through. So aside from hiring a professional carpet repair person to fix this, one easy way that you can do that will fix it and work is using a small flathead screwdriver. And I'm going to be using some super glue. You can actually use hot glue is probably the best way to use it, but super glue also works. And then if you need a pair of scissors to cut off any excess, or if you need to grab an extra strand from the back corner of a closet, if this is not enough, you can cut that off and then use that to tuck that in here as well. And what you're going to do is, and this is a little tedious of a process here, you're going to get your screwdriver and bunch this stuff up and tuck it in to the pad. And then every so often, you're going to get a dab of the super glue and shove it down in there, and just work your way along by doing that. And what this will do is the super glue will hold that in place, but also by shoving this carpet down into this into itself, you're going to lock it in place like that as you work your way along. And there'll be a few little flyaways. I don't know if you can see that little guy there. We'll have to trim him off at the end, make sure it doesn't get re-caught. But again, slow process, but within about 10 minutes or so, which we're not going to film the whole thing here, or we'll speed it up, you can get this thing tucked back in here and have it look pretty good where you're not going to really notice it, and it won't get caught on your vacuum again. As you can see already, that right through there, you won't even be able to tell when it's done. Tell where it was, and you give that glue a chance to set up. If you use hot glue, you shouldn't have to wait that long. It didn't take very long to do it. Crisis averted.